My name is Sue. My marketplace assignment is Google Tags. The name of the tool is Google Tags. The publisher is Google and have a good reputation. Google Tags has an easy-to-make-do list that was introduced in 2018. The platform is for Android and web-based. The intended purpose of the tool: the students need something to keep track of their work and homework. Help with produce tip. The age of the tool group is used for 12 and up, but anyone can use it if they know how to. The cost of the tool: Google Tags is a free online service that handles task lists and is accessed via your Google account. First, and then first log into your Google account. Second, there is a blue icon on the right side below calendar and keep. There is a blue icon on the right side below calendar and keep. Click the label task icon. Third, click the blue plus icon to add your first task. Click this. Homework 1. And then third, type a text in the line next to bubble, then press enter. Press enter. Click the calendar. Five, if you just need to add a page text, everyone is ready. However, the task tool also allows to add your task to this. Click pencil icon, and then you can add detail, include the due date for assignment, which was fit into your calendar. You can create a paragraph, or can make paragraph to make checklist for subtitle. I'm going to show to you. And you can create and then click add subtitle. You can create a paragraph first to make checklist for subtitle. Subtitle, yeah, like English homework and science homework. 7. When you have completed one task, simple click bubble next to task. When do it will be displayed a check mark, then disappear. You can also drag your task arrange order like this. For example, I drag home English. I drag English and homework to first item my do list. I'm gonna move this. How could be used in education setting? The student that struggle with time management skill for English for school time, or the student who has history of missing assignment can use this to keep track of work. The student might email the teacher about late summit because they haven't submitted their homework on time. I will teach them how to use Google Tasks on computer so that students won't forget to do their work next time. Plus and mind, easy to ability to create reminder and notice, create a task direct to the Google ability for any device. Not able to add tag tasks can set up for tasks on Google. I highly recommend the student to use the tool because Google is a good company and the product is also easy to use. The tool is completely free. Hundreds of people use the tool for homework.